Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be unboxing some things I got from Aliexpress and Shein. I hope I pronounce it well. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you have been here for a while, you are also welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always watching my video. The first thing I will be showing you guys is my selfie stick. This one is for the table, though I have the other one with ring light. Let me just go ahead and open it up and see how it is. You have a mini paper here, and oops. Oh, this is lovely, and it came with lights. Wow, this is so lovely. This is my first time of getting this. Then number two, ta-da! I'm so excited about this. We just go ahead and cut it off. Yay! Can you guys see it? Yes, I got this from Aliexpress. I've been longing for this. This is called a wireless microphone. I have been looking for it for a long time now. Okay, wow, this is beautiful. This is nice. This is my first time using it. Okay, so if you know you have been using this, please comment in the comment section, and you just tell me how to use this. Okay, thank you. So guys, I will be showing this item in the next video. I bought this item from Shein. I don't want this particular video to be too lengthy.